my channel, Baking and Buttercream. Today we're making Luxo Bowl Cake Pops in honor of Toy Story 4 coming out. So, let's take a break and bake. For decoration you need candy melts, fondant, red food coloring, blue food coloring, and yellow food coloring. Before we start decorating these cake pops, I just want to say two things. Number one, did you notice how I have both Buzz and Woody? They're the perfect Pixar duo, so I have them in this episode to celebrate Toy Story 4. And then the second thing that I wanted to say is that I already have the cake pops made. All we're going to do is decorate them to make them look like the Luxo ball. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to melt our candy melts. To melt it, just put it in the microwave at medium heat and do it on intervals of 15 to 20 seconds, stirring until it's completely melted. Once it's completely melted, go ahead and dip your cake pops into the candy melt and just let those harden. And as soon as they're hardened, we're gonna paint them with the yellow food coloring. You're just gonna paint them to the perfect color of yellow that's the same color as the Luxo ball, and then we'll let those dry as well. But if you can find yellow candy melts in your country, use the yellow candy melts. They'll turn out much better that way. That way you don't have to go through the hassle of painting them. After you're all done painting them, or if you dip them into the yellow candy melts and they're dry, we're gonna start decorating them. They're super simple to decorate. All you have to do is take a strip of fondant that you colored blue, and then you're just gonna put that around the sides. And then we're going to roll out some red fondant and take a star cookie cutter and cut that out and put that onto the cake pop. That's it. These Luxo cake pops are super simple, but yet they look so good. These cake pops are so iconic. The Pixar ball is in every movie, and the Pixar films are just so good, so I'm so excited I was able to make these in honor of Toy Story 4. Alright guys, go ahead and click one of these two videos right here. This one YouTube recommends. I recommend this video. This video is a lot of fun to make. And then I also recommend for you to click this Baking and Buttercream icon over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. And I'm going to go get pre-tickets for Toy Story 4 because I don't want to miss it, and neither should you.